How to connect the cell phone to the Piso's Wi-Fi internet. In order to connect the cell phone, we frequently encounter vending machines, which are easy to locate. This is the Piso's Wi-Fi vendor. The design is very human. How do I know? Because there is a router on top and a signal is visible on my cell phone. There's also no Wi-Fi password. You may be able to connect it, but there's no internet yet. As a result, I'll show you how to connect it. First, take out your cell phone. Please follow my instructions. I will instruct you. Watch closer. I'm now pointing to the Settings app on your phone. Choose this or press it. In the settings, you can see the Wi-Fi option. Choose it or press it. In the available signal, select the Piso's Wi-Fi vendor and wait to process the connection. Now it is connected. Well done. However, how to find out if there is Piso's Wi-Fi or how to check the Wi-Fi connection? Just press the middle of Wi-Fi name. In B teleport to other setting Wi-Fi. You can see the details about the Wi-Fi connection. And there's a router name. Sometimes it is naming gateway or router. Remember this number 1000.1 is the Piso's Wi-Fi. Back to main cell phone screen. As you can see, this all the apps we can access the website of Piso's Wi-Fi. Choose the Chrome app or press it. In the upper Chrome, just type 1000.1. I'll show you how to type it in correct way. Give me a minute to type the number step by step. Now press enter in order to load the website. Just wait till loading the website because it is registering your phone from website and it will remembering you in order to secure your time. And well done, you're successfully entering the website, also known as a portal, but it is actually a website for Piso's Wi-Fi. Now victory dance. Yes, yes, yes. Now I will explaining the details on portal, what all features and details are specified. If you're using the laptop, this is how you access the portal. I will show you the step by step. Just type 1000.1 in this upper corner. This is what really look in the laptop display. It is same or similar to cell phone. It is because the laptop is biggest screen than cell phone is smaller screen. This is the remaining time you have for internet connection. When the time goes 0, you're disconnected internet. MAC number and IP address. System will recognize you that you have time remaining. Buy Wi-Fi is buying the internet time, but it was naming insert coins. It later updated changing into buy Wi-Fi instead insert coins. By pressing this buy Wi-Fi, there's multiple choice selection. This is where we select the coin slot or where we can put the coins or money on vendor machine. I will show you the first selection. This is located at market. This is the path you should take to the location of the vending machine. Remember, this building is under construction. If you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe to support this channel. Almost there, around this corner and you will see the first coin slot. This is the first coin slot location. There are also 20 Piso coins available. Now press the select bottom and wait to light up the LED indicator vending machine. Now, you see the light go on. Insert the coins or money to the vending machine and wait for credit your time. Well done, you learned something. This is how you do it yourself. Press the bottom. I'm done paying. So let's other people buy Wi-Fi too. To turn off the vending machine light, I will show you the second coin slot. The location is around this basketball count in this path. This is it. This is the coin slot of Santiago. It is very old. Somebody doesn't know this is a worker vending machine. People get confused because of multiple choices. Now I am showing it in this video. This is the Santiago coin slot. Santiago coin slot. If you see this light on, that means is it ready to insert the coins. But if not, I will demonstrate for you. What if it doesn't turn on or light up the LED indicator? This is what will occur. Now, final to do, or this is the last step for this Piso's Wi-Fi. Scroll down and press or select this.
You are now connected to internet.
You're now connected, but you should aware there's a waiter. That's why I call them waiting. It is because they wait for the expected customer to insert the money to vending machine. If the customer was not aware that someone already pressed the bottom before customer pressed it, I will teach you how to prevent happened. The waiting will camp the vending machine until unexpected customer arrived. The waiting pressed the Piso's Wi-Fi before the customer. The customer opened his cell phone, pressed the select button, but there's error. Somebody's still paying. Somebody still paying is indicator that someone has already pressed the button. You should avoid putting your money on that vending machine. But if you continue, this guy will receive your money or time until you ran out of money.
The customer will complain about this issue, so I just made a video for inexperienced users. This video will serve as your guide to the new customer to select the vending machine. If somebody is still paying and the vending machine is light up or LED is turned on, simply wait for the session to end before pressing the select button to proceed. Don't let waiting steal your money or your internet. Remember, your phone is like a remote. You control the vending machine.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope this will help you. Do you have Piso's Wi-Fi machine? If yes, you can copy and paste the link into your Piso's Wi-Fi machine. Just put on the admin theme, select Captive Portal, click Redirect to, and put in the YouTube video link. Well done. I'll include it in the description below. This will pop up in the customer phone. It will teach your customer.